One of the most common reasons why applicants fail a cruise ship interview is very simple. They cannot clearly explain their job. Even if you already have experience, if you cannot explain what you actually do at work, the interviewer might think you are not prepared. So in this video, I will share the common galley utility interview questions and some important tips that will help you pass your cruise ship interview. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tintin and on this channel, I share tips, guidance, and real experiences to help aspiring seafarers achieve their dream of working on a cruise ship. In today's video, we will talk about common interview questions for galley utility and some important tips to help you prepare for your interview. So make sure to watch until the end. One very important tip before your interview is this. Be ready to explain your current job and your responsibilities. Many interviewers will ask about your current or previous job because they want to understand your experience and how well you know your work. For example, the interviewer may ask questions like, what are your daily responsibilities? What kitchen equipment do you use? How do you maintain cleanliness and sanitation? How do you work during busy hours? So before your interview, make sure you are ready to clearly explain what you do in your current job. Tell me about yourself. My name is Tintin and I have experience working in the food service industry. My responsibilities include maintaining cleanliness in the kitchen, washing dishes and kitchen equipment, and assisting the kitchen team to ensure smooth operation. I am hardworking, physically fit, and used to working in a fast-paced environment. I am applying for the galley utility position because I want to grow my career in the cruise ship industry. What are the duties of galley utility? A galley utility is responsible for maintaining cleanliness and sanitation in the galley. The duties include washing dishes and kitchen equipment, cleaning working areas, disposing of garbage properly, and maintaining hygiene standards. The galley utility also supports the kitchen team to ensure smooth and safe kitchen operation. Are you comfortable working long hours? Yes, I understand that working on a cruise ship requires long hours and hard work. I am prepared for that and I'm physically fit to handle the demands of the job. I am also motivated because this opportunity can help me grow professionally and support my family. How do you handle pressure in a busy kitchen? In a busy kitchen, I stay calm and focus on my tasks. I make sure to stay organized and maintain cleanliness so the kitchen can run smoothly. I also work well with my teammates because teamwork is very important in a fast-paced environment. Why do you want to work on a cruise ship? I want to work on a cruise ship because it is a great opportunity to gain international experience, learn new skills, and grow professionally. I am willing to work hard, adapt to different cultures, and contribute to the success of my team. Before going to your interview, remember these important tips. Know your job responsibilities. Be confident when answering questions. Be honest about your experience. Show that you are hardworking and willing to learn. Because for entry-level position like galley utility, attitude and work ethic are very important. Remember this, many successful seafarers today started from entry-level position like galley utility. It may not be easy in the beginning, but with determination, patience, and hard work, this opportunity can change your life and your family future. If this video helped you, prepare for your interview. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Again, this is Tintin wishing you good luck on your cruise ship journey and hopefully see you on board.